is up, guys? Zeta here, and I have some more good news for all of you. Okay, so this is just a reminder to sign up for the choreography workshop. That is this Thursday on October 8th from 4:30 to 5:30. If you remember from last video, it is a choreography workshop. We're gonna be dancing like here, and here, and here, and here, and me. We will not be dancing like that, but we will be dancing. So get ready. Be prepared. Bring your dancing shoes. So from 4:30 to 5:30, this Thursday, virtual and in person, we are going to have a choreography workshop. Microsoft Teams or Big Blue Button. You'll find the link on Canvas or mine, depending on where Miss Barrows posts it. So I will see you guys later. And remember, be the best dramateer you can be. Shoot.